Hello kids! Today I am drawing ABCD fruits. Let's draw and paint together. First I am drawing the letter A for the apple. Let's draw apple. Now I am drawing the letter B for banana. Let's draw the banana. And I am drawing the letter C for cherry. Let's draw the cherries here. Orange color, A. Brown color, light green color, red color. A is for apple. Sky blue color, B. Yellow color, B is for banana. Violet color, C. Brown color, red color, C is for cherry. Bye bye kids. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye.